Okay guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing some binary addition today, something which you guys all need a little bit of practice on, and the best way to practice on it is to make sure you know what the rules are. So these are the binary addition rules. 0 and 0 will come out as a 0, 1 and a 0 comes out as a 1, 1 and a 1 comes out as a 0, you carry the 1 though, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will come out as a 1, carry the 1. This one here can go either way around, so either 1 and 0 or 0 and 1, it's exactly the same. Okay? When you're looking at these, when you start to add these, start to think of it in terms of which switches are on. Okay, look for the on switches because that's going to help you when you hit a bit of like grey area. We're going to go through that in a second. So we have two numbers here. I've just worked out what they actually equal. So the top row is equal to 51 and the bottom row is equal to 55. We'll need that in a minute when we check it through. So we start off here. 1 and 1, so we always start from the right hand side, so we add the lowest numbers first. So 1 and 1 is going to be 0, but we carry over the 1. We've now got 3 ones in a row here, which equals 1, carry the 1. And now I have a bit more of a difficult one here. So I have 1, 0, 1, which isn't any of my rules. So in this situation, I look at the ones. Okay? So in this case, I have 2 ones. This has 2 ones in it, so this is going to be 0, carry the 1. Alright? Again, I'm now in a situation where I have something which doesn't look like any of my rules. I have 1 and then 2 zeros. Okay? I look for just the on circuit, so just look for the one which is just 1. So this is this one here. Okay? There's only one on circuit here. So I do 1, and that is it for that one. Now I'm back to my regular rules. 1 and 1 is going to be 0, carry the 1. 3 ones is going to be 1, carry the 1. This again, I don't have a rule for it, so I just look at the on switches. There's one switch which is on my rules. This is the only one with just one on switch, so that is going to be 1. And then I finish it off here, 0 and 0. 0 and 0 there. So if we add this up very quickly, we have 64, 32, 8 and 2, and looking at that we have 106. If we added these two together we would get 106. So a quick check there, we know that we've done the binary addition right because this is the same, this number here is the same as that number there. Okay, right, we'll have another look at a different one here. So just put these back on the board here, and this is a slightly longer one, so we'll just do this one, just applying the rules just as we did before. So again, we have 1 and 1 is going to be 0, carry the 1. 3 ones is going to be 1, carry the 1. 3 ones again, 1, carry the 1. 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0 we don't have. Closest, so we look at the on switch, so it's only got 1 on. So of our rules, this is the only one with 1 on, so it's just going to be 1. 1 and 1 again, 0, carry the 1. Here we've got 2 on switches, 1, 0, 1, so that's 2 on switches. Again, it doesn't look like anything here, so we just look for the switches that are on. 1 and 1, this is going to be 0, carry the 1. 1 and 0, and 0 obviously again, back to here. And then 1 and 1 is going to be 0, carry the 1. What's happened here is that we need a 9th bit in order to complete the addition. Okay, we've created an overflow error. So in your exam, you may get asked what happens in this situation, in which case you'd answer you've created an overflow error where you need a 9th bit, or you might be asked to add it up as it would be if you had the 9th bit. So if you were asked to add it up, this equals 256, so this is just double that. So let's have a quick look here. 256, that one, plus 64, plus 8, plus 4, plus 2, and then we have 14. Okay, so altogether this is 334. Our answer of these two is 334 as well, so we know that we've done this correctly. Okay, 3 things to remember here. most importantly, is the rules. Okay, you must revise these rules. If you don't know these rules, you will miss out on your binary addition marks. That's the first thing, okay? Second thing is to remember that if you end up with an extra bit, it's an overflow error you've created, okay? That means you need an extra bit to finish off the addition there. And the third thing here is to make sure if you end up with a bit of a strange looking rule, like 101, and you're not sure it doesn't look like your rules, just focus on the switches which are on, okay? So that would be 1, 1. Alright? Right, I'm going to put some more for you to try in the description, and I'll put on the answers as well a little bit lower so you can see whether or not you've got it. And then we'll have a little discussion next time. I'll see you guys in class. Okay? Good.